Hey, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be installing this bad boy in this hunk of junk. So, hope you enjoy. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe maybe. That'd be cool. Doesn't even make sense. Ah! Fuck! Oh, hell yeah. Holy shit, thick. I don't think my intercooler is going to fit with this thing in, but we'll figure it out. The fitment of the shroud on the back is alright, but one bolt I had to send in like a little bit sideways because it was never going to fit. I could have cut the plastic a small bit, but that takes time, like, obviously. So as you can see, that radiator, let's put them side by side, it's a bit thicker, so yeah, it's a bit more juicier. Hopefully helps with some cooling because this thing gets hot. I need to take off the headphones so I can see better. But it's fucking as tight as dick right now. Got this perfectly cut minty pipe. I don't even need to bring this, I just need to get a 35 to 45 mil. Got the Pro Plumbing yokes for the Yoki Bob, and I got some coolant because it's fucking cold. Definitely the wrong coolant, I have no fucking idea, but it's a thought that counts, I guess. So finally that thing's connected up. I'm not gonna lie, that thing was a bitch, dude. Just noticed it's too far forward, so if I try tightening this down, it's not really gonna work, but it'll work. They're installed, but I don't think they're actually doing anything, but it'll stop it from coming up, I guess. But this side is definitely fucking doing nothing. Anyways, so now I need to fit this intercooler pipe to this. Oh my god, look at the mess. Oh yes. So that's all back together. It's actually a really nice tight fit. And if you can see, it's not touching the anti-roll bar. So, yep, I think that's a win. I think. We'll see. So yeah, let's need to sort out this IAT valve. So yeah, let's see what happens. There's no shaft or anything, so. Fuck. Don't ask. So we're fighting the sunlight here, but radiator's bled. It goes to like 105. They turn the fan on, boom, 10 seconds, we're back down to 60. That's a little bit too low, but I don't have a thermostat. So hopefully when I'm drifting, I can just turn the fan on and she'll stay cool, because the turbo is oil cooled. I do have an oil cooler here, but it honestly didn't seem to help. So hopefully with this big dirty fucking thing, this should be fucking minty. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my misery with this, and